Viewers, we will stay in Mina from 8 Zulhijjah to 13 Zulhijjah. There are some pilgrims who come back to Makkah on 12 Zulhijjah. This is also possible and it is not wrong according to Sharia. If you want to come back on 13 Zulhijjah, then you also can. This is also mentioned in Holy Quran. Remember that during your stay in Mina, every prayer will be offered on time. According to Hadith number 1218 of Sahih Muslim, you will perform all prayers of Zuhr, Asr and Isha as Qasr. Holy Prophet ﷺ used to do so, and Hadith also confirms this. Besides, to offer Qasr prayer of Zuhr, Asr and Isha is mandatory for all pilgrims, whether they are local pilgrims or have come from outside the country. At the occasion of Hajjatul Wada, the Holy Prophet ﷺ had it prayer as Qasr regardless the origin of pilgrims. He did not direct people of Makkah to perform their complete prayers. That is proved from the Hadith number 696 of Sahih Muslim. Viewers, today is the day of 9 Zulhijjah. It is the day of stay in Arafat. Staying in Arafat is the most important rite of Hajj. Today is the day of lots of prayers to Allah. Today is the day of which the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that the devil never feels this much disgraced and humiliated as he feels on this day. Today we will beg forgiveness and will excessively pray to our God for us and for our beloved ones. This is the most important day of Hajj. Today is 9 Zulhijjah, when all pilgrims stay in Arafat. Viewers, it has been observed that despite availability of the good transport, many pilgrims walk towards Mina believing it as sawab. But remember, the Holy Prophet ﷺ covered this journey on camel. This is a long journey and consumes too much time and energy. Keep in mind that in Arafat, we will have to perform prayers and other supplications in great deal, which is the core of this rite of Hajj, and this requires that you reach there with your full energy. So traveling to Arafat using transportation is better and it is appreciated act. All religious scholars are agreed upon it. A road has been built from Makkah to Mina and from Mina to Arafat, which is called Tarika. If anyone wants to go on foot, the Saudi government has made necessary arrangements of cold water, but it is advisable that you use transportation.